Alright, y'all. 2018 is here. It's upon us. It's in full force. It's January 1st right now. I did a 2017 manifesto, and I really liked that. Whenever I kind of fell off course throughout the year, I could watch that, get back on course. I'll post a video of that in the description if you want to watch that. 2016's theme was discovery of self. That's when I founded Keto Savage. 2017's theme was execution. That's when I doubled down on Keto Savage. 2018's theme, starvation. You hear people being hungry for that win, hungry for that success. I'm not hungry, I'm starving. And I'm gonna give it everything I've got to a whole freaking another level. I'm about to attack 2018 with the kind of intensity that I attack my competition preps. But I'm not just gonna do it in my training or my nutrition. I'm gonna do it in my business, in my networking, my relationships. Everything is gonna get that kind of intensity. I'm waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning every single day of 2018 because there's no excuses. I'm not gonna look back on the year and be like, I wish I would have put in more time, more work, more effort. That will not come out of my mouth because there will be no more that I can put in because I'm going all in. That's an oath, okay? That's a promise. That's my manifesto. When you find your passion and it has legs, when it's proven that there's interest around it, as there obviously is interest around the ketogenic lifestyle right now, and my brand is kind of growing and it's working, it's paying my bills, I'm not gonna sidestep anything. I'm not gonna, hold back at all. I'm going all in. 2018 is gonna lay the groundwork and build the foundation for the rest of my life. And I'm not gonna look back on it and wish that I'd done more because that will be impossible. I'm starving, people. I'm starving, and I'm gonna attack this year like you ain't never seen before. It's kind of scary to think about for me because I've had that kind of intensity towards things in the past, and it gets dangerous. It's hard for me to draw lines in certain places, like what's safe to go to or not, And I don't want to play it safe and second guess myself. There's gonna be times where I fail in 2018. There's gonna be times where I make mistakes, but it's gonna be because I'm putting forth the effort and trying, and I can't regret that. I'll learn from it and leverage it going forward. But 2018 is gonna be unleashed, and I'm excited. And all I can say is that for you, if you're going into this year and you have regret of previous years, you make your resolutions. Like, resolutions are bullshit, okay? They're lost, they're forgotten in the first month. Don't make resolutions. Look at what you want. Look at what you're capable of. Double down on it. Play for the long game, and don't look back. Look back and reflect enough to learn from it and use it going forward. But don't look back in a negative light and wish you'd done something differently. If you want to do something differently, go freaking do something differently. I've learned enough about what I've done thus far with this brand and this lifestyle to know that it's got potential, and I'm about to double down on that potential. I can't even put into words what I'm about to do. It's just gonna form into something. In 2018 is the year that it's gonna happen. So get ready. I'm excited. I'm excited to show you what I'm capable of. 2018's unleashed. I'm starving, people. So get ready. I'm about to get fed. I'll catch y'all later.